Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Unlock a super quick dinner secret with bay scallops. These delicate morsels cook in mere minutes, transforming into a tender, succulent dish. They're ideal for a busy weeknight when you crave something special but lack time for elaborate cooking. This recipe ensures delicious, perfectly seared scallops every time, proving that gourmet flavors don't always require hours in the kitchen. Get ready for an effortless, delightful meal. Before anything else, preparing your scallops properly is absolutely essential. The single most important tip is to pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. Any excess moisture will prevent them from developing that beautiful, golden brown crust we all desire. Instead, they will steam in the pan and become rubbery. Take a moment to gently blot each scallop until it feels completely dry to the touch, ensuring a perfect sear. Now, let's build our flavorful foundation. Begin by melting about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a nonstick pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Once melted, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Gently sauté the garlic for just about 1 minute, allowing its beautiful aroma to infuse the butter completely. Be very careful not to let the garlic brown or burn. We want it fragrant, not bitter, for the best taste. It's time for the magic to happen. Increase your pan to medium-high heat, ensuring the butter is hot and shimmering. Carefully place your dried bay scallops into the pan in a single layer, ensuring they have plenty of space. Cook them undisturbed for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. You'll see them quickly form a gorgeous golden brown crust. Remember, do not overcrowd the pan. Cook in small batches if needed to maintain that crucial high heat for a perfect sear. As soon as your scallops are beautifully seared and golden, remove them from the heat immediately. Overcooking will make them tough, and we want them tender and sweet. Drizzle any remaining garlic butter from the pan over the cooked scallops. It's packed with flavor. For a final touch of freshness and color, sprinkle generously with fresh chopped parsley. Serve these delicate bay scallops piping hot, either as an elegant appetizer or a stunning main course. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.